things like that. So then, when you put that factor into this whole situation, and then you ask yourself, would there ever be a time, really, right, when like fiat power or fiat currency would ever go out? Like, is it possible? Can that ever happen? You
That's
know?
a question. That's a really big question. Odilon, can you help us?
No. So here's what I'll ask you. I'll ask you this, right? Was there a time when people couldn't even imagine trading without gold? There was. There was a time when gold was the default currency of trade, right? Currency for trade, and
Yeah, yeah,
and then even though we haven't detached ourselves from that model, it's not really a useful model for interacting in a transactional way, for example, right? Because this gold is finite, because gold is limited. So, if gold was the only thing we could trade with, a lot of us wouldn't be able to trade.
true. Yeah,
You know what I mean? So it
yeah.
is it's very possible. It's very possible that crypto might become. I mean, fiat currency might become that, but even to a less extent, because fiat is really not worth anything if you think about fiat, because fiat is still pegged to gold, or at least it's supposed to be pegged to gold, as
Yeah.
they say,
Yeah,
right?
yeah, yeah, yeah.
So if
But
fiat
like,
collapses,
yeah.
it's gonna go
Okay,
to
go ahead.
zero.
True, true. But so with the USD, right? The dollar fiat, which is pegged to the US economy, right? You like fiat going to zero. Essentially, what you're saying is the US loses world power. Which, to be honest, I wouldn't even lie. Just thinking about that, just thinking about, obviously
Quite
that
impossible.
like it's looking really